Hello, my name is Steven. I come here to FEI to study HVAC, and what my day looks like is I wake up at 5:30 in the morning to go and work on heatings and boilers and gas. I get my job assignments at around 7, then I drive to the job site. Once I get to the job site, I assess everything, work on it. I don't have to clock out for lunch or anything like that. By 4 o'clock I finish. I come here to FEI, and then I just study on the cooling side to get the full aspect of HVAC. And then by around 9 o'clock, my day is done.
Thank you.
No problem.